Everyone, today let us discuss a question on electronic devices and circuits. So the question goes as the concentration gradient of electrons injected into the p-type silicon sample is 1 into 10 raised to the power 21 centimeter raised to the minus 4. Take the electron mobility as 1000 centimeter square per volt second, thermal voltage as 25 millivolts, and find the magnitude of electron diffusion current density. So let us have a look at what all quantities are given to us. First was the gradient of electrons injected. Since it is the gradient of electrons injected, then we will take d by dx of nd, and this quantity is given as 10 raised to the power 21. Right? The electronic charge is given to us, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then kT by Q is given to us. kT by Q we also known as thermal voltage. This is given to us as 26 millivolts. Okay, and the mobility of electrons, that is 1000 centimeter square per volt second. Sorry, it is not 26, it is 25 millivolts. Right, so these are the quantities given to us. Now let us apply right. So the diffusion current density J is given by Q into d of n d by dx of, right, this is what it is given. Okay, now we know that dn by mu n is equal to Vt, right, or kT by Q. So from here we can get the value of diffusion constant first, mu n into Vt. What is the value of mu n? Mu n is given as 1000 centimeter square per volt second, and Vt is given as 25 millivolts. So from here we get a diffusion constant as 25 centimeter square per volt second. So now we can put it in the final formula, 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. This is 25, and this is 1 into 10 raised to the power 21. So now on calculating, what do we get? 16 into 25. This is what 16 into 25 is? Yeah. Yeah. So this is the answer. So 4000 ampere per centimeter square is our electron diffusion current density. Okay, so in next videos we will discuss some more questions of such type. Till then, take care and all the very best.